Ever wondered why some real estate agents thrive while others struggle? The secret often lies in understanding key metrics. By tracking performance, agents can make informed decisions that drive success and growth. Let's explore how metrics can transform your business. Meet BoldTrail's Vitals tab, your new best friend in real estate. This tool offers intuitive insights into your business, allowing you to quickly gauge key metrics and track progress. It's like having a personal business analyst at your fingertips. With the Vitals tab, you can effortlessly monitor your goals and make data-driven decisions. Imagine knowing exactly where to focus your efforts for maximum impact. This is the power of BoldTrail's Vitals tab, designed to elevate your real estate game. The Awaiting Response report is crucial for managing contacts and leads. Timely responses can enhance client relationships and close deals faster. By using this report, you'll ensure no opportunity slips through the cracks, boosting your success rate.